Key technical parameters such as maximum speed, maximum relative centrifugal force, RCF, capacity limits, temperature range, etc., are important indicators for assessing the performance of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge. Technical specifications: maximum speed, range, typically up to 20 rounds per minute. Importance: determines the centrifugal force applied to the samples. Maximum relative centrifugal force, RCF, value, up to 27,000 xg. Importance: influences the rate and efficiency of particle separation. Capacity limits: tube capacity, up to 24x 1.5 milliliters microtubes. Importance: determines the number of samples that can be processed simultaneously. Temperature range, typically from -20°C to +40°C. Importance: maintains sample integrity during centrifugation. Noise level, usually below 60 decibels. Importance: contributes to a comfortable working environment. Timer functionality, feature, programmable timer from 1 second to 99 minutes. Importance: ensures precise control over centrifugation time. Rotor compatibility, options, various rotor types, fixed angle, swinging bucket, etc. Importance: accommodates different sample container sizes and shapes. Power requirements: input 10240 VAC, 50/60 Hz. Importance: ensures compatibility with global power standards. Understanding the key technical specifications of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge is crucial for selecting the right model for your laboratory needs. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their technical specifications, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.